Okay, good day guys. Today I want to show you how to enable the 0.5 second interval capture on the DJI Matrice 4E drone, right? So first you can see here the drone is turned on, the remote controller is also turned on. I can see the camera view here. So now I go up here in the right side. You can see video, photo. I go to photos. Now it's set on single. I will choose timed. And now the default is 0.5 seconds. Right? So you can adjust it. It can go all the way to 60 seconds. But when we're talking inspections, 0.5 seconds is the best because it simply allows you to capture images so fast. You enable that capture, and then you just start flying and the drone is capturing by itself.